is all I see. It flows so endlessly through every rise and fall. You're over all. The morning fills the air, your spirit everywhere. My heart begins to glow. I let it show. Your peace ignites the night, turns darkness into light. Forever I'll remain to praise your name. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Hearts of I hear the angels sing their songs of offering, each note a ray of grace in your embrace. The earth and sky combine, your love through space and time. Forever I will be in your melody. Your peace ignites the night, turns darkness into light. Forever I'll remain to praise your name. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Your love won't fade away, it shines through every day. Your spirit fills the air beyond compare. Hearts of heaven, pure and bright, burning in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of heaven, true and free, beat in perfect harmony. All I am is given to hearts of heaven. Hearts of heaven, shine in me. Hearts of heaven. Oh the silence, hearts arise. Songs of grace beneath the skies. Every breath becomes a sound where your love is found. The stars begin to sing the glory of the King. Each note a holy flame. Praise your name. Heaven whispers through the air. Winds of grace carry me. I feel your spirit near, whispering soft and clear through every lonely place. You breathe and life begins. You calm the storm within. I lift my hands to see you're moving me. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. The night has lost its fear. Your spirit draws me near, like air that fills my chest. In you I rest. You carry me so high, above the tears I cry. Your presence fills the space with holy grace. You move where hearts are still. You speak your perfect will. Your peace becomes my song, where I belong. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Your spirit fills the air, your love beyond compare. I rise in your embrace, in winds of grace. Winds of grace blow through me, set my spirit wild and free. Every breath, every sound, your mercy all around. Winds of grace, pure and true, lead me back again to you. All my heart you raise through winds of grace. Winds of grace carry me. Presence of peace. breathe over me. The morning softly glows, your mercy gently flows. In silence I am found on holy ground. Your spirit fills the air, a whisper everywhere. I lay my burdens down, you wear my crown. You move in every breeze, you speak in gentle keys. My heart begins to see your peace in me. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true, I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of your hands restore my heart from brokenness apart. You sing a quiet song where I belong. The world can fade away, but I'm in you today. Your stillness covers me eternally. You move in every breeze, you speak in gentle keys. My heart begins to see your peace in me. Presence of peace, pure and bright, wrap me in your holy light. Every breath, every sound, your goodness all around. Presence of peace, calm and true, I am still because of you. Here my soul finds release. Presence of peace, let your stillness stay, guide me every day. I'm resting in your grace and your embrace. stillness of the sea. Your spirit covers me. Every current, every tide, you're by my side. Your peace like ocean rain heals my every pain. I surrender to your flow and let you show. You move so soft and clear. Your presence draws me near. I breathe you in again, my dearest friend. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Through the dark and through the storm, your arms keep me warm. When I fall, you lift me high beyond the sky. Your love will never end. It comes and flows again. Forever you remain my sweet refrain. You move so soft and clear. Your presence draws me near. I breathe you in again, my dearest friend. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Let your spirit rise under endless skies. Wash me in your grace, in your embrace. Holy waves roll through me, set my heart completely free. Every beat, every sound, your grace is all around. Holy waves, pure and true, carry me back to you. Every soul you raise through holy waves. Holy waves wash over me. Holy waves. Spirit, fall on me. Your presence fills the skies. I feel your holy flame. I call your name. Every shadow starts to fade in the light your hands have made. You breathe and I am new. My heart to you. You move like gentle rain. You heal the world again. Your beauty fills my view. My soul in you. Spirit of glory, shine so I cover the earth. Fill every life, every breath, every sound. Your presence all around. Spirit of glory, pure and true, all creation worships you. Heaven and earth agree. Spirit of glory. Through the stillness I can hear your whisper drawing near. You light the stars above with endless love. Every ocean sings your praise. Your truth will never fade. Forever I will be lost in majesty. Move like gentle rain. You heal the world again. Your beauty fills my view. My soul in you. Spirit of glory, shine so I cover the earth. Fill every life, every breath, every sound. Your presence all around. Spirit of glory, pure and true, all creation worships you. Heaven and earth agree. Spirit of glory. Let your glory fall tonight. Turn my darkness into light. I lift my hands to see your majesty. Light through the clouds, you're shining now. The sky begins to break, your mercy starts to wake. Through shadows, through the gray, you lead the way. I lift my weary eyes to see your morning rise. You turn my fear to song, where faith belongs. Your promise I can see, you're lifting me. Light through the clouds, hear you shine, breaking chains of space and time. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Light through the clouds, light through the clouds, pure and true. Every road leads back to you, hope forever loud. Light through the clouds. The rain has lost its song, your love has been here all along. You speak and storms subside, I'm safe inside. The world begins to glow, your truth is all I know. You lift me from the ground to where peace is found. You turn my fear to song, where faith belongs. Your promise I can see, you're lifting me. Light through the clouds, hear you shine, breaking chains of space and time. Every breath, every sound, your glory all around. Light through the clouds, light through the clouds, pure and true. Every road leads back to you, hope forever loud. Light through the clouds, your light forever stays. It guides my weary ways. Through darkness I am found on holy ground. light through the clouds. You're shining now, light through the clouds. Descends on me, a crown of majesty. Your spirit fills the air, heaven everywhere. I see your glory glow in every heart I know. Your grace forever reigns through joy and pain. The earth bows down to sing to Christ our risen King. Let every nation rise and lift your name on. Kingdom of heaven, let your fire fall. Fill the world and touch us all. Every soul, every sound, your glory. you.